Hi everyone, this is Smriti. I'm welcoming you all to my channel QA automation classes. So we're continuing on the methods of the stream API. So we have seen few of the methods in the past sessions. So today we're going to look into the specifically into the sorted method and how to add the multiple stream and combine them into a single stream. And we'll see these two concepts today. So let's start with the first one, that is nothing but the sorted method. So let's go to IntelliJ, say new class sorted method. So now let's say main. This is a bit important because most of the time we do the sorting and all. So I'll take the example of both the integer as well as the both the string, and we'll do the sorting, and we'll do sorting for both ascending and descending order so that it is clear for everyone. So let's start with the integer first. So list of and integer, and I'll say on sorted integer list or something. I can give name on sorted integer list equals to, I'll say arrays.as list. So easy, and here I'll give some random number. Let's say 3 7 8 5 4 2 1 9 34 12 23 14 18 something. Okay, so now import the list, alt enter, and end of statement. So I have unsorted integer list like this. Okay, and now on top of it, what I am going to do, we are going to apply the sorted method. We will do the sorted in the ascending and then sorted in the form of the descending order. So how to do? So we know, right? So first we will apply the stream method dot stream, sorry, dot stream. So after applying the stream method, we have to search for the sorted method. So we have the sorted method. So if you want to go with the natural sorting, we don't have to go with the second option. Here you can see, right? Dot the comparator super integer. This is for the uh, comparison in the reverse order. I'll show you that on shortly. So let's go with the normal sorted. So sorted method, and then what we are going to do, we are going to collect this information in the form of the another list. So list of ascending, we can say sorted integer list ascending. So, so list of integer sorted list ascending equals to. So now I'm going to print it as out ascending. So plus sorted list ascending. After sorting list in ascending order. Okay, so this is, I can run and I can see. So see, after sorting list in ascending order, 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 12 14 18 23 34. So this is perfectly sorted. So now if we want to do the reverse of the sorting in the reverse order, so like 34 23 18 14 12 9, like that. So here I can say on sorted integer list, okay, dot stream dot sorted. So here we have to give the arguments. So what argument we have to give? We have to give the comparator. So let's say we'll say comparator, right? Comparator, and how we're going to do comparator dot, we'll say reverse order. In the reverse order, do the sorting. Okay, and after you are done with the sorting, what we are going to do, we are going to collect it. So collectors dot to list. So how we are going to collect it? So list of integer sorted list descending. Okay, sorted list descending. Okay, and now I can say system.out.println descending order. Okay, so plus sorted list descending. Okay, so now let me run this one. I want to see two output, one in the ascending order and one in the descending order. So see 34, 23, 18, 14, 12, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is done with respect to integers. Similarly, what we can do, with respect to strings. Okay, I'll just show you that one also. So let me copy entire thing. Okay, so list of string unsorted, let's say string list. Don't worry, we'll update everything. Arrays.as list. Let's have a string. I can say dev. I'll say then alice Betty. Okay, and see Charles also you can say Charles. Okay, so we have these four elements. If you see, these are not ordered, so it should be Alice first and then Betty, then Charles and Dave. So now sorted list ascending, instead of here also we'll change it to string sorted list ascending. Let's say sorted string list ascending. So unsorted string list dot stream dot sorted collection collect collectors dot to list. Similarly, after sorting the list in ascending order in string list. Okay, in ascending order sorted string list ascending. Cool. And similarly sorted, I can say string list descending. So list of, instead of list of integer, let's say list of string. And here unsorted string list dot stream sorted comparator reverse order collect dot collectors dot to list sorted list string list descending. Okay, let's see after sorting string list in descending order. Let me run. You'll see this one. Four output, two with respect to integer, two with respect to strings. So integers in the ascending order and this is the descending order. Looks good. And for the string, Alice, Betty, Charles and Dave. If it is in the descending order, it is Dave, Charles, Betty and Alice. So this is perfectly fine. So this is nothing but the sorted method. Okay, so after sorted method, I told like we'll see adding up the multiple streams. So here only I can do. So if you see, there are the two different lists are there. One is the integer list, one is the string list. I can concatenate them, but both are you can say both are what you can say. This is string and this is integer. Okay, let's do one thing. So I have one unsorted string list. I can create one more unsorted string list. Okay, unsorted string list 2. So here let's say John. You say Angel, Jackson, Brittany. Okay, right. So here is also unsorted string list. So this is one string list and this is another string list. So what I want to do, I want to combine both of them. How to combine both of them? So for that we can use the stream method and we can use the concat. Okay, so we can say stream, see stream java.util stream dot, we can say concat. What we are concating here? Unsorted string list, comma, and unsorted string list 2. Okay, these two I'm concating dot collect, collected dot to list. So now I'll make it as final list. Okay, so I have to create the stream out of it actually. Okay, so before that let me create the stream out of it and then we'll do. Okay, so stream of string, sorry, my bad, stream of the string, I'll say s1 equals to, so what is the first unsorted string list? Okay, dot stream. So we're going to concatenate the streams. My bad, here is like I directly went with the collections. So instead of using the collection, what we need to do, we need to understand, we need to concatenate the stream. So in order to get the stream, what we need to do, we need to go with that collection, and then on top of that we have to apply the stream method and then collect that as a stream object, and then we can concatenate. Similarly, we can do the same thing. This is for h2 string we can create, and here string list 2, unsorted string list 2 dot string. So it's two things, and then I can combine here s1 comma s2. My bad, sorry, s1 comma s2. Okay. So now final concatenated string list. So s out after concatenating and collecting the strings. So okay, concatenating. So here I'll give plus and I'll just put this one. So let me run and see what is the output here. Okay, so okay, run it. See, after concatenating and collecting two strings, so Dave, Charles, Alice, and Betty, these all four came from the first unsorted string list, the first list of the string, and then the second part came from here: John, Angel, Jackson, and Brittany. John, Angel, Jackson, and Brittany. So that's how we learned how to use the sorted method. So the sorted method with respect to the natural sorting or the in the ascending order, and when you want to sort in the descending order, you have to use the comparator dot reverse order. So it will sort in the reverse order. This is with the integer. Similarly, we can do the same thing with the help of the strings. And then the next concept was concatenating the multiple streams. Let's see here, con concat multiple strings. So in order to do that, we have to create the stream. First we have to create the stream for each of the collection. So unsorted string list dot stream, unsorted string list dot stream, two dot stream. So we have to collect that in the form of the stream of the string s1 and s2, object we gave the name collections, and then we went and we said stream dot concat s1 comma s2. So with the help of s1 comma s2, and then after concatenating both the string, we are just going to collect it, and then we are storing into a list of the string, and then we are just printing it. Okay, so hope the concept is clear, guys. So if you need any further clarification, if you have any doubts, put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends and colleagues. And thank you. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye.